Another South American entry. This one won the Rainforest Challenge selection in Chile. All 3 entries from Latin America were delayed in transit and stuck at the customs. They were released from the port on the eve of the event and just made it for the opening ceremony. However, luck was not on their side. They also had to suffer mechanical problems in the heat of the competition.
La cruceta, sí. Ah, ya. No, pero igual una lata, pues. Sí. Bueno, estamos al lado. Estamos al lado, no falta nada.
However, as they say in Spanish, no hay problema. They will continue. Under the heat of the event and creatures of the jungle, the officials of the event have maintained their good humor all the time.